Here we have the old emblems I took off my MX5 or Miata, whatever you like to call it, NB, 1998 one. This is the front one, which looks semi-decent. The rear ones look really worn. And this one I can still buy. This one is doubtful whether it's in stock. This one I've tried several shops I can't buy. And there's one other one that's on the boot lid, and that's easily available. So I just bought that one and replaced it. Replaced the old worn one. But these, I have found some shops that say they stock them, but they don't. But they are on their website, but maybe in January they'll get new stock. And so I thought I'll give it a try. This is all plastic chrome look, or at least that's what it used to be. And so I bought this. This is in Dutch, so you have to look for something similar in your country. And it says restores the shine, very good results on brass, copper, stainless steel and chrome. Yeah, we spell chrome like this. Okay, too bad. Anyway, I'm going to give it a shot. It says to apply with a soft cloth and then to polish out with another soft cloth. So here goes nothing. We'll see what happens. So after only a few minutes with this stuff, I must say I'm pretty well chuffed. This is I think it's the lower right hand side on the bumper. And of course it's not perfect, you can still see some pitting here and there. The surface is of course already 23 years old. But it is shiny. And to my own surprise, the black part is actually still pretty well black. So this one I'm happy about. This is the front one, which wasn't too bad to begin with, but as you can see, okay, it's not brand new, I agree with you. But it looks really good. And the Mazda one, I only did half. So you can see the difference. And you can see the M is shining, is reflecting the light really well. So is the A. The Z is not really. And the D and the A, which I haven't treated, are sort of reflecting, but definitely not as bright and as sharp as the M and the A. So there is a definite result. And now this doesn't make it brand new. But in a time that I'm stuck on ordering new ones, and they're quite expensive also. I think they're $20 each. They're $60 around here. Yeah, I'm pretty chuffed with the result. I think I'll put in a little more effort. See whether I can clean it up inside that Z with a little brush or a little something, I don't know, toothbrush maybe. And spend some more time polishing. Seems worth it. So a few more minutes of polishing, and I'm pretty well chuffed. Now I know that these little spots will never go away, but a lot more shiny than they were. They're definitely reflecting like chrome. I still need a little brush or something to get into the little Z crevices and over here and do these markings. But yeah, overall, I'm happy. I think I will save money not buying new ones. Well, just one little remark. This says copper shine in Dutch. So it is for, as we saw on the back, brass, copper, stainless steel and chrome. And you can also get, of course, silver polish, with which you can polish your silverware. I didn't buy that. I didn't try that. Maybe it works, but it says on the back, at least the can of the same brand, says don't use on chrome. So I thought I won't give that a try with my emblems. I'll just see my badges. I'll just see what this one does first, and, well, I'm happy with the result. So, another small project done.